Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to learn how to set up the newsletter in the Node.js Express in the MongoDB. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, I have to create the models and the subscriber.js. So this is the model file, so which require the Mongoose npm package. So make sure you have to install the Mongoose npm package, right? So these are the schema that you have to create. That is email, name, confirmation token, confirm, token expiry, and subscribe at. Okay, then export this. After this, the next file would be the main file, that is subscriber.js. So you have to create this file at the root of it. So here we go with the subscriber. I think the last of it is the subscriber. Okay, so it is already opened, right? So let's write the code over here. So you have to install the necessary modules, that is express, body parser, mongoose, node mailer, moment, crypto. Okay, so I think moment I haven't installed. npm I moment. Okay, so let's install this, clear this. Okay, crypto you have to install, then you have to import the models from the models folder. Okay, next step, initialize the Express app middleware, because we are accepting the post request. So body parser, for that reason I'm using. Connect to the MongoDB because we are saving the data to the MongoDB. Now we have to configure the node mailer configuration. So I'm using the Gmail. So these are the configuration you have to configure: host, port, secure, and the auth, user and the password. Okay, your email, your password, right? So basically the password is not your Gmail account password, it's the app password. If you don't know how to create the application specific password, so you need to check my previous videos about the Gmail, how to create that one app password, right? You can just mention app password technical Rajni. I think that video will come. Okay, next we have the routes. So we have to create the routes. First route is subscribe. So here we require the email and the name from the postman. Okay, right? And after that, generate the confirmation token and the expiry timestamp. So confirmation token we are going to create, and the token expiry, that should be expire in the 24 hours. Okay, and put it over here, right? So the next step, we are going to save these details to the database. After this, we have to send the confirmation email with the confirmation link where the subscriber or the user need to subscribe to the newsletter. Okay, so this is the email with confirmation email, that with the confirmation link we have to send to the email that we are sending over here in the subscribe part, right? So the user, basically the customer, those that want to subscribe to the newsletter, we have to send this confirmation link. After this link, we have using the transporter for the node mailer, where they are going to send the email to that with the confirmation link. Okay, then it will come up with the subscribe successfully in the in your postman API, else it will throw you the error. The last one, that's a subscription confirm. When the confirmation link, the user click on the email with the confirmation link, then we are going to confirm that the token is valid or not. If it is valid, then we are going to update the subscriber information with confirm to be true, confirmation token to be undefined, token expiry to be undefined, and at the last we will say that the email confirmed successfully. And if something goes wrong, we will send him the message that something went wrong. Okay, at the last, start the server. Okay, let's do the process. Okay, so go to the terminal, node subscriber.js. So here we go with, first we have to go with the, let's suppose I'm going to make it like testing testing 77. Okay, and Rajnikant, here I will put technical Rajni. What's it? Okay, technical Rajni. Let's try to send this. This is the route, right? Send it. Subscribe successfully. Let's go to the console. Here you can see that the email sent. Let's go to the millinator, open it, millinator. So here we need to, I think, testing what the email ID is. I just forgot. Testing 77. I think it's millinator, right? Testing 77. Email is received. Come. Okay, confirmation email. Dear Technical Rajni, confirm the email by clicking on this. Email confirmed successfully. Let's go to the MongoDB and check the details. Technical Rajni and confirmed is true. Subscribe at this time. Okay, so done. Any doubt, any query in that? Do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Have a nice day.